Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 4, Agrotechnology A. Here we will present the result of our group's work, namely vegetation analysis and weed control. This is our member, me, Syahdani Zuddin, Sylvia Ramawati, and Yusuf Khairuddin. Now we go to on topic. Next. Topic of discussion. First, vegetation. Second, vegetation analysis. Third, vegetation analysis methods. Fourth, weed management. And fifth, weed control technique. Next, vegetation. Vegetation is a collection of some of the plant that normally live simultaneously at a particular time and place. In a vegetation, there are various close interactions between the individual making up the vegetation itself with the other organism. The interaction between the individual making up vegetation with other organism will ultimately make the mechanism of life work properly and life system run dynamically. Vegetation will form an ecosystem that can be different from other ecosystem. Next, vegetation analysis. Vegetation analysis is a way to study the composition of and or composition of vegetation in the form or structure of vegetation from a plant community. The form or structure of the vegetation referred to as the form of growth, stratification, and canopy cover. To perform the analysis of vegetation, the necessary data concerning the type, the tip, diameter, and height in determining the value of the index and important continuant of forest community. Vegetation analysis can be done quantitatively and quantitatively to determine the distribution of biological diversity in an ecosystem. Basically, the data obtained from vegetation analysis can be divided into two groups, namely qualitative data showing how a plant species is distributed and grouped, its stratification, periodically, and so on. While quantitative data states the number, size, wet or dry weight of a tape or area. The area is gross qualitative data is obtained from the result of the description of the sample plot observation in the field, while the quantitative data is obtained from the result of field observation based on extensive experience or the result of our technological research. Next.
Vegetation analysis methods. There are four methods commonly used, namely visual estimation, the quadratic method, the line method, or the stoop on the point method. 1. Visual estimation is carried out based on visual observation or by observing and estimating the observed with parameters such as the level of cover, abundance, and distribution of width. The quadratic method 2. The quadratic method is a vegetation analysis method based on a sample plot area. The square referred to in the method is a measure of area, measured in square units such as m persegi, cm persegi, and others. 3. The line method is an elongate sample plot placed on top of a vegetation community. For large areas, this method is often used because besides being fast, it is also quite rough. For example, for with inventory in young plantation, which have which consisted of dense, low population and group with clear group boundaries. 4. The point method is a variation of quadratic method reduced to infinity. This method is effective for analysis of weed vegetation with low dense vegetation patterns forming and webbing so that the boundaries of which are unclear. Weed management. Proper weed control is one of the determinants of the success of agricultural crop cultivation. The effectiveness of weed control technique is highly depend on the type of plant and weeds. Knowing the diversity of weed species before control measures are needed to determine their properties so that effective and inexpensive control technique can be determined and can also be used for other use, such as a green manure and agricultural land indicators. The denser the wheat population on agricultural land, the resulting crop production will decrease. Therefore, for plant productivity to be stable, proper weed control measures are required. And for this purpose, information on weed species, distribution, and density is required. By knowing the dominant weed test in a particular agro ecosystem, it will be easier to arrange a control program so that we control in so that we control is no longer a side effort, but is part of the management of pests, which are a key component in the agricultural production process.
Weed control techniques. 1. Preventive is an effort to control weeds through prevention effort include clear of weeds before cultivating plants, selection or spartan of weed seeds that might be mixed in the seeds or attack to agricultural tools. 2. Physical or mechanical control. It is with control carried out by farmers with agricultural tools through soil cultivation, cutting or pruning, inundation, burning, and the use of mulch. Next. And 3. Chemical weed control using herbicides. This method is effective because it can save time and effort, but the continuous use of herbicides on agricultural lands has detrimental impacts such as the shift in dominant weeds resistance to several types of weeds, user health problems, and poisoning to plants and pets. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the listening and thank you for watching. We are waiting for your question in the comments column. Bye-bye.